Today we are unboxing the brand new iPad 11 generation. Now here's the box, as clean as always. Then at the back of the box, there it says that 128 giga and A16. That's the latest CPU and latest generation and Wi-Fi. Then if you look at the front iPad photo and you could look at the bezel, you know what color of your iPad is, and here it shows that it's a silver color iPad. Now let's open the tab. The back of the box, there are two tabs, both pointed using the green arrows, and they're not plastic, they're made of paper. Let's pull them up and break the seal. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. Flipping the box, gently shaking to get it open, pulling the cover away. Here it is, the iPad 11 generation, still in its original wrap. Let's pick it up. And there's the camera. There's no cover for the camera. It feels very nice as usual, very well built, a bit light. Let's put it away and see what's else in the box. This looks like the manual and quick start guides. Yep, there's a quick start guide. It's in French, and there's English one there too, and bunch of warranty papers. Then we also have the charging cable. Latest generation comes with USB-C charging. So you can see a charging and data cable that has both sides as USB-C. There's the USB-C charging block. Now this one is 20-watt fast charger. So this iPad supports fast charging. Let's put the box away. Now let's take a look at the iPad itself. It feels pretty nice, solid tablet. Let's take the wrap out. Shiny back with shiny Apple logo, and the back camera is there. It also has a front camera too. Let's put the wrap away. And let's look on the side. There's the volume rockers. One side, there's the first two speakers and the fingerprint scanner, as well as the power button. There's the pin connectors for keyboards and other two speakers and the USB charging port. The iPad is switched on. The logo came up. Let's wait a little bit. Here's the traditional iPad hello screen. Is the startup screen for new iPad, and it's common for most Apple devices anyway. So let's get the starting setup. I'm going to do that by swiping from the bottom and select the country. Then appearance, I'll just keep it as it is now, much simpler, then we can change it later. Then I decided to do the quick start, because that's a good thing about Apple devices. We can set up pretty fast with quick start. So I'm going to use my iPhone to set it up. And here is my iPhone. By putting it near to each other, it automatically detects. And all I have to do is to scan the image. We just type up a QR code, and the setup gets started. Now all we have to do is to wait a little bit when the data gets connected. Yes, I trust it. Now it's asking for permission on the iPad side. I have to pick up the iCloud account to transfer the data. So I'll pick up my iCloud account, and it will start copying the data now. It wants to do software update. Better to do it later. Let's finish the start setting it up. Touch ID, we can do it later as well. Very powerful, and Apple Touch ID, one of the best. Now we also have to create a passcode. I go for 4-digit pin for easy because I don't carry the iPad around. So I pick the pin for the iPad. Now it's asking for account iPad password for iCloud. It needs to verify that I'm the right owner. Now it's copying all the apps and stuff there. It's going to take a little while. After it does the initial setup, it will ask you what data to transfer and what apps to install. Apple Wallet, we can set it up later. No need to set it up now. Nope, no need to send to Apple company. And here it is. So iPad is set up. It did not take that long to set it up because I used Quick Start. Very fast system, A16 CPU, one of the latest one. Very smooth scrolling, and all the functionalities are available now right away. Very clean and clear screen. I think one of the best for eyes. If you have eye strain and everything, that's the reason that I got it for. You could see the scrolling is super fast. That's the good thing about latest generation iPads. They are fast. Overall, very nice feeling, very powerful iPad tablet system, and also very reliable.